Welcome to Global and Media Stocks to Watch. I'm Michael Swido. I'm speaking today with Fraser Matthews. He's the CEO of the cryptocurrency trading platform Netcoins. They're a subsidiary of the Canadian-listed company BIGG Digital. Fraser, great to see you again. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Michael.
Now, Netcoins is one of Canada's most trusted crypto trading platforms, and you've been working hard to expand south of the border into the U.S. market. So, Fraser, what's the latest news from Netcoins USA?
It's been great for us launching and relaunching Netcoins USA. Proud to say that Netcoins USA is now available across 48 states in the USA, which is fantastic, not only for Netcoins and our growth, but for expanding the footprint of BIGG Digital Assets and all of our subsidiaries and partnerships into the United States as well. We're really excited. It's given us an opportunity to expand our market reach with the Netcoins team, bring our approach that's compliance first to the United States and open up a brand new market for us to grow our revenue streams as well.
All right, so you mentioned 48 states, and you've tied up with a crypto infrastructure provider called Zero Hash to enable the crypto trading. Tell us a bit more about that collaboration. How does it work?
Yeah, it's a great question. So it works in two parts. One, from an infrastructure perspective. So we spent the summer connecting the pipes, so to speak, and integrating our APIs with theirs from a functionality perspective. So their infrastructure allows us to trade a great deal of trading pairs and multi-currency as well. So we've got a lot of opportunity there with the Zero Hash infrastructure. In addition to that, it's a licensing program. So Netcoins originally entered the United States on its own licensing, working across 18 states where we're able to avail licenses. After that, it goes on a state-by-state basis. And quite frankly, it can take a really long time to get all of your money transmission licenses stood up. We wanted one cohesive storyline, one set of licensing, and one approach to the market to say we're open for business in the US. Zero Hash gave us the opportunity to do that quite quickly, which is why we chose to partner with them.
Now, I mean, the US is a really big market for cryptocurrencies, but it's a very competitive one as well. There are exchanges like Coinbase and Gemini, not to mention retail platforms like Robinhood and eToro. So what are you doing to ensure that Netcoin stands out and gains traction in that market?
Yeah, it's a great question. So one is laser focus on our markets. And for us at Netcoins, we really want to have a client-first approach. We want to work with our clients directly, speaking with them on the phone, ensuring that we're engaged with them, helping them to either solve individual problems or business problems by working with Netcoins from a crypto trading perspective. So how do we do that? We've stood up a great sales team. They're actively going out into the market, engaging with businesses, corporations, high net worth individuals, retail customers, hedge funds, et cetera, to help understand what they're looking for from a crypto trading platform and ensure that we deliver that for them. So whether it's connecting to us through APIs or getting the best price on an OTC spot trade, we're highly communicative. We're out into the market and we're making sure that we're talking on a one-to-one basis as we grow out our book of business.
All right, so for someone who's watching right now and they're asking themselves, should I trade with Netcoins or not? Give us your pitch.
Yeah, sounds great. So with Netcoins, you're going to get a couple of things. One is you're going to get one-to-one service in the United States. You will have someone to talk to, whether things are going great or something's gone wrong. You can always talk to us. One of the big differences is you're not going to get a chat bot and get stuck. If you have a question, you can call us. We'll talk to you directly. Number two, great pricing, great execution on our trading. We've got multiple liquidity providers that we're plugged into. We can ensure that we can get the best price for our customers. In addition to that, a great premise, a great platform, easy to use on web or mobile. So you've got both channels to work with, or through our over-the-counter trading where we can execute seamlessly for you. Finally, it's a safe, secure, compliant approach. So we've taken everything that we've learned in our Canadian market, brought it to the United States. We've got great segregation between funds and assets, segregation between crypto and our assets. Everything's customer-centric and customer-focused, and we think that we can deliver fast.
All right, so safe, secure, and compliant, three very key words. And I got to say, I love the idea of being able to get somebody on the phone. Just dealing with Autobots or menus on a phone can drive someone crazy. So great that you have that level of customer service. I want to take a step back now, though, and ask you how this relaunch in the US is going to help drive revenue both for your company and for your parent company, BIGG Digital.
Yeah. For us, it's a wide open market now. Before, not being able to operate in all the states meant that we had to turn away business, which was unfortunate. Now we don't. Now the doors are open. We can service clients across the entirety of the United States, especially key large states like Florida, Texas, some of the bigger states where crypto, is extremely popular. So we're now going to have access to those states, which will help us with acquiring clients, getting people on board to the platform, trading with them. In addition to that, we've already got a foothold in the US. We've already done over 100 million of trading in the US year to date. So we're off to a hot start as it is. So now it's just ensuring that those clients continue on with us. We go out and acquire new clients. We connect in with also new types of clients. So the corporates, the hedge funds, the fintechs that want an as a service crypto partner, we can now participate with them as well. So it's great. And for us, we've seen good success year to date. And we hope to kind of double down on that for the rest of the year and into next year. The last point of that as well is we've really got a good cost basis now. So our trading platform itself and with our partnership can be more profitable for us as well. So we have less overhead from a compliance perspective, a licensing perspective. Not having to actually have the licenses and hold them ourselves actually enables us to have a lower cost to serve as well. So to answer your question, we're open up to a much larger audience and market to obtain clients in, and a better cost basis for a more profitable business.
All right, excellent. If we take another step back, it's been a really volatile year for cryptocurrencies, but then again, what's new? As of today's filming, Bitcoin is up about 35% since January. So it is well off the all-time high set back in March. The Bitcoin faithful don't seem too worried, though. They are hanging on with the expectation of significantly higher prices in the year ahead. Either way, there is still a strong appetite for investment in the sector. So Fraser, thank you so much for chatting with us about your company, about Netcoins USA, and we look forward to more updates.
Thank you. Talk to you soon.
We've been talking with Netcoin CEO Fraser Matthews, and you've been watching Global and Media Stocks to Watch. I'm Michael Suardo.